Hello and welcome to the studio. We will today look at how to set up a tripod correctly. Once you unpack the tripod from its case, it's actually very straightforward. It's packed like that. You have to basically turn this nut and fix it again, because that's like basically adjusting my tilt. Yeah. And then I would just very easily unscrew it and extend each of the three legs accordingly. Yeah. And you want to make sure that you usually, when you shoot on eye level. So that's the basic setup. Now, of course, if I want to extend the tripod, I could go ahead here and extend it accordingly. So I have that arm. I need to unscrew that first and tighten it loose here. And now I can extend it very, very easily. Yeah. To go up to eye level. So that should be actually here, more or less, the maximum reach here. Then I again, tighten it. I want to make sure that the dot, the water gauge, is basically centered in the middle, and I'm good to go. And here I have again my adjustment of the tilt. Yeah, I need to unscrew this and open up this to get my camera in place. So this is a very simple tripod. To get my camera in place, I would just attach it here. You can see once it's attached, it locks, and then I have to just turn it clockwise like that. There we go. And there you go. So now it's airtight. It's basically here. It's fixed. And in order for me to attach it, I would need to open up this one again, place it in, close it, lock it here again. And once it's done, I'm ready to go. So I can basically operate the camera. Whenever you're shooting, you want to make sure that in terms of the legs, that one leg points into direction of your shooting to keep the balance. In our case here, I should have basically placed it like that, so you have enough space. So now what you can do is you can, of course, pan across. Yeah. So you have a pan, and you can, of course, now tilt as well. Yeah. And you lock it again here. There we are. And we can go ahead and shoot any kind of movie. That should explain that. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck.